how to use Snapchat filters on Discord. So if you want to use Snapchat filters on your Discord, then what you need to do is make sure that you have Snapchat or the Snap Camera application on your device. And you need to simply go with the search and you need to search for Discord. Make sure to sign in or log into your Discord. Once you've signed in, you need to simply go with your server, any server that you are comfortable with. And you need to simply go with the voice channel. And under voice channel, you can go with the video. You can turn on your video on your voice channel. Once you turn on your video, now once you turn on your camera, here you need to simply go with the drop down. And here you will have 2 to 3 options in which you will have the snap camera option. So if you have your snap camera or your Snapchat filters, then you just need to simply choose the snap camera. Once you choose or turn on the snap camera, then you will have the Snapchat filters. You can simply select the filters and you will be able to apply the Snapchat filters on your Discord. So that's how you can use your Snapchat filters on your Discord. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.